There's a pond in there. So they go landing in the pond. It's a small pond for the ducks and geese. Look. Far away because we're not allowed to go in there. There's a barbed wire here. There's a fence here. So big the pond in there. Small pond full of baby ducks. I think they're really small, so they must be a lot different types of ducks, but they're smaller. Look, loads of them. Look. Then why suddenly they all been startled? Seems they're scared with something. So they flown far away and then go back in. You wait, they come back again.